Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Gustav Holz. As you can see, we're on Thingiverse, and that's how we make money. Not on Thingiverse, but we're gonna make money with 3D printing. I make between $500 to $1,000 per month with 3D printing, and I think it's just an amazing way to get creative, and it's a great way to make money. And the thing is, this is one printer. I'm not full capacity yet, so I'm running around this month around $500, $600. But I can definitely get at full capacity. I can run $1,000 out of it. But the best thing is, I can, if I need more printers, I can just set up 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 10, and if the capacity reaches it, I can actually make a decent amount of money. So if you want to get into the 3D printing game, you're going to probably need printers. You've got a few places you can buy. You get your really cheap printers from China. There's actually a very good printer from China, Ender Free. Is amazing printer from Creality. And you can find it on Amazon. This is not my affiliate link, so I'm not making any money out of it. But here's an Ender 2 V2. Now this is the upgraded model, and I personally always buy the upgraded one. It's the best one, and it's not expensive. It's $280. It's pretty cheap. It's like a robust printer. You can use it, and it will definitely do its job. I don't know it really well. I know a few people that does have one, and they don't use it for commercial. Let's say for the 24 hours a day type of printers, for 24/7 every day, 365 days a year. Most don't use those. If you want to do those, and you don't want to struggle with anything, and you just want to print, and when it gets done printing, just remove it and just throw a print button again and just leave it and print again, then you have to go to these guys. Now these are the Prusas. I have a Prusa, MK3S. The MK3S Plus is now out. I actually want to buy myself the upgrade. I think it's $50 for it. Get that as well, and hopefully soon I can get another printer as well. I would go for the $1,000 printer because I already bought one, but I'll buy another kit as well. My personal experience is buy the kit. If you haven't used a 3D printer yet, buy the kit. You know how it works. If it breaks, fails, you know how to fix it. It's easy to fix. It takes a little bit of time to build. It takes around 8 to 12 hours, but it's definitely possible. Okay, so now you got your 3D printer, and now what? Now you go get yourself some software. You can get, there's so many programs that for designing CADs and SolidWorks, all those expensive programs. I use this one, Fusion 360. I've got the educational license, so that's actually the best. If you're a student in university or so, that's easy, and then it's free. So and there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube for this type of program. You can design so much on this program and do so much, and then after that you take it out of Fusion and you take it to your slicer. Now your slicer, what it does is actually just write a code for your printer, and your printer knows exactly where to extrude that plastic onto it, in different layers, of course. And here you can set up everything from info, how full should it be. You can see it here. There's a type of full here. It's not solid, it's only 5% full. So you save a lot of plastic, but it's strong because the full makes it, you get different types of full, and it makes it just stronger. And you can get different nozzle sizes. The bigger the nozzle size, the faster you print. So now I can print 60 ammo boxes, but um, if I put in the 0.8, I can print 90. So, okay, but anyway, now you've got your design, but you don't want to print it and sell it. You just want to sell your design. You could do it. There's a way to do it. You go to Cult 3D. I think there's a few places you can sell your designs. I did it with this one. I tested my ammo box here, and this is almost, let's say, almost 3 weeks, and I got 3 downloads at €2.50. So is it worth it? No, it's not. Definitely not worth it. So I charge $20 for my ammo box. It costs about $5.69. So my income is 1,200, and my expenses is 341. So my net income is about $900 if I do 60 a month. But if I go to 90, it will be higher. So that print is about what, 750. Let's say $1,000 if you take in shipping. So you can do that. You can pay off that print in 1 month if you really want to. I charge per hour for my print, $1 per hour, and my filament costs me around $16 per pull per kilogram, and you can do around 4 boxes of ammo boxes out of 1 kilogram. So I think it's pretty neat. There's a lot of places you can buy your filament from, and you can make your designs and print them and sell them. If you have, like for instance, you can, if you can make jewelry. Let's just use it, and you can make a brand for your jewelry, and you put it on a website, and you just sell it. I think it will sell. I can't sell my ammo boxes into USA because I live in South Africa, and the shipping cost is just, I think it's probably $100, $200 just to get that one ammo box in USA. So that's just ridiculous. So I would say 3D printing is super amazing. You can make money from it. You can make anything you can think of, you can make with it. If you have something in the house you need, you can just design it, make it. If you want to make, I made brackets for my hydroponic system outside. I just quickly went onto Fusion, took me 10 minutes, and boom, and I started printing. So it's not just to say maybe you don't need just to make $500 to $1,000 per month, but it is a practical use as well. So but yeah, if you want to make money off it, and you have great ideas of what to sell, go get yourself a 3D printer and start printing. Get a website. If you want to sell your designs, I would say, and you have like cars, let's say you design cars for a living or something like that, and you want to make a 3D model car, make like 50 cars, different cars, put it on a website and make it your own brand, and then sell it for higher prices. I have a Starship, you can see it in my YouTube videos, and they charge me like $70 for that Starship, but that's worth it because all the details inside the tanks and piping and Raptor engine, and it's just amazing. So I really think it's worth it. So if you are considering something like that, that's really for you. Go for it. You won't regret it. And yeah, I think that's about all, guys. So if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. And have a nice day, you guys. Cheers.